The Panamera marks the debut of VW Group's MSP architecture, and Porsche's 4.0-liter twin-turbo V8 and 8-speed PDK transmission. The Panamera's fast, and it handles. The V8 sounds epic for a turbocharged engine and has near-endless thrust, Christian Seabaugh said. It really shrinks around you on a good country road. Unfortunately, those high-performance tires that provide so much poise and grip are noisy, too. And there are some odd equipment omissions. Said Frank Marcus, I find it inexcusable you're charged extra for keyless entry in $100,000 plus car.